Got him.
Hey everyone, so what I'm doing today is I'm taking this wooden piece that I'm putting on the back of my transom and I'm going to beef it up by putting some epoxy on it. I bought this stuff from Total Boat. I guess I'm going to see if it really works or not. This is a resin part A, which is super deep penetration, easy to use, 2 of this to 1 of these. So I've got this little glass right here that's 2 ounces and I'm going to go start with 4 ounces in here just to see what happens. All right, so let's get to it. Well, this stuff is thick. So let's go with 1 and see how 1 fills it up. Man, I don't know. 1's quite a bit. So there's 2, which is about 2 ounces of this. Then 1 ounce of this. Oh wow, come over here and look at this. So when I put that in there, it got super cloudy. It smells like chocolate cake. So I'm gonna use this guy right here. And I'm assuming that once I use it, it's probably gonna be trash. We put that in the trash, speaking of trash. Yeah, give me just a second, let me get started. I guess it's gonna hurt if I just pour it on there. Because I believe you gotta get this done before 20 minutes. I feel like this is leaving, it is. So this brush I can't use. It's leaving little brush hairs all over this stuff. Okay, so that's out. Alright, I guess I'm going to learn as I go. Don't use one of these little cheap brushes because it's definitely leaving stuff all over it, so I'm going to use a sponge. I'm going to try to get the sides because all of this stuff will eventually kind of be underwater at some point. I'm going to do the other side, flip this bad boy over.
I think it says it's getting hot.
Take the sides, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's finished. 2 days later, let me show you this piece of wood that I'm putting on my transom. And I use the Total Boat epoxy. Let me show you what it looks like. This part right here is the only part that really feels, I don't know, tacky a little bit. But the rest of it, it feels kind of rough. So I'm going to take some sandpaper in my sander and go over all of this. but I did the other side as well. This will be the side that is against the boat, but I wanted to do this side as well. This side feels very dry. You can see my little circle right there where I had it sitting on my cup. I think it looks good. I'm going to sand it, make it smooth. Oh, by the way, this part right here, I had to hit it with some wood filler because whenever I was cutting it out, it split a little bit. So I went over it with the two different grits of sandpaper. That's the back side. This is the front side. It looks real good and it feels great too. All right, so now I'm gonna wipe it down with a wet rag. Just a damp rag. As you can see, man, that looks a million times better. It's so smooth too. Do the back side. I'll let that dry. I let this cure for days. All right, so we finished up with the epoxy. What I have left to do now is we're gonna stain it. And then after we stain it, we're gonna take it over to the boat and hopefully put it on the back of it. I appreciate you watching this episode. Hit the like button. Consider setting the hook on the subscribe button. And we'll see you on the next episode. Got him.